We're cleaning seats today, guys. This came out of all your seats. These are the seats we're cleaning, and they're on a nope, it's a Volkswagen. Yep, so this is Nikki's car. We're gonna clean the seats in her car. She drives a Polo, Volkswagen Polo. And yeah, nice little run around. So yeah, we're gonna clean the seats from this, get them nice and fresh. I'm gonna stick you guys on a time lapse. It's gonna be a quick one, and we're gonna do a little bit of a before and after these seats. So yeah, enjoy, guys. It's not a BMW, but it's one of our cars, so we're gonna clean them. We've got dirty seats here, a few stains, pretty bad on the front. We've got our vac machine and a couple of buckets that we're going to use to scrub these down. So yeah, the plan is to get these nice and clean and fresh.
So we got stuck right in. We used the buckets of soapy water and a brush to start scrubbing the seats down. That already lifted a lot of the dirt off and the stains. And then we used the wet-vac machine to suck up all that dirty water. It was quite a simple process, and already you can see the seats are coming up really nice. I'll show a clip here of how you can see all that dirty water coming off the seats. Yeah, they were pretty disgusting. I mean, we didn't think that it would be this bad, but you know, as soon as you got the wetness off, you can see right here how much dirt is coming off the seats, and you don't even see this. So yeah, it's definitely worth doing. We were kind of tag teaming here, so Nikki was on the passenger side doing that side, and I was on the driver's side cleaning the seats on that side. So we were both sort of just tag teaming and getting all that dirt off the seats. This was my side. As you can see, the dirt was just disgusting. Once we did the front seats, we moved on to the back seats. These didn't look as bad, but my side was really, really bad, especially the bottom corner. There was I think there was Coca-Cola or something dropped there, or coffee. So I had to go over it a few times, and the amount of dirty water that came out of there was just, yeah, it was quite shocking. And here's a clip of how dirty those rear seats were. Yeah, they did not look like they were this bad, but as soon as we got the wet vac on it, you can see how much brown water was coming off those seats, and you don't even realize it's there. So it's definitely worth doing something like this to your seats. Also, Nikki was well shocked about how bad these seats were. You could probably tell by her reaction here.
See that? There's water spilled in my car. Ugh. That's like coffee or some shit.
Once we'd done the front and the rear seats and sucked up all that dirty water, we were pretty chuffed with the results. The seats come up really nice, and the colour of the seats came back, and you could definitely tell the difference. We had to then leave these seats to dry in the sun, and then while that was happening, we moved on to doing the floor mats, and this was a pretty satisfying process too. So here's a bit of a time lapse of that. I don't know what it is, but I love the process of when the wet vac sucks up all that dirty water. It is just so satisfying. In the end, we were pretty chuffed with the results of the seats. The seats came out really nice, and we were very happy with the floor mats too. So yeah, this was just a quick video on cleaning the seats of Nikki's car. And what's a video without showing the end result of the water that came out of the vac machine? Check this out.
Are you ready?
No.
Check this out.
Oh my god.
Wait, before you do it. Like, give it a good mix, wait. Okay. Give it a good mix.
Oh my.
Now pour it.
Mary and Joseph. Oh.
This came out of all your seats. This.
Bravo.
That's nasty. That is nasty.
Looks like your face. Oh, brother.
There we go. The seats are now all clean on the Polo, and they're looking great. They're so much better than before. Thank you for watching this YouTube video on cleaning the seats on the Volkswagen Polo. It's Nikki's car, and she uses it as a daily. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, guys, for more videos like this, and we'll see you on the next one.